everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to share what's new at Ikea in November 2022 and the items we bought from Ikea. I'm always so excited to see what is new at Ikea and to see what are the new items that people are buying from Ikea. Those who are interested, please join with me in this video. We can see lot of Christmas themed items, decoration stuff in Ikea at this point of time. I just captured how beautifully they decorated the cupboard with all these items. So it is so beautiful. These are the few ways you can store the kitchen items by using these organizers. You can always find beautiful artificial flowers in IKEA. Some beautiful candle holders. This beautiful kitchen set is only $39. There is another kitchenware in blue color. This is a little bit expensive than the other one and it has few more pieces. This is one measuring cup and few more measuring cups. I like them, and these are different measuring spoons with the different colors. And this is the new set I am seeing here to separate the onions and tomatoes or different vegetables. Spoons are ladle holder in a neutral color, and it can be a very good decor for your counter. It has a holes on the bottom so we can clean it easily. These are the different type of glass storage with the lid, and these are the lunch boxes, and here is the lunch box with the divider, and this is a set. My favorite section is kitchen area, so I spend lot of time to search for the new items here. So these are the new glasswares, and these are the cupcake holders. A lot of different items found here. These are beautiful cups with black and green combination, and different sizes and cups are always available in IKEA. This is the new gold color beautiful plant pot, and it is big size and it is $30, and with a big plant it gives a beautiful look for any room. You can always find these type of wall decor in a very big size. We can see different types here. These are the new decor items I am seeing here. This is a peacock and a golden leaf and so many different items. Pineapple shape. In this fall season, we can also see different leaves of yellow and maroon color, and these are the candle holders, turtle. Now let's see the items we purchased from IKEA. This is the footrest. It can be so helpful when you are working for a long hours at the office. This is one more divider. You can use it for separating the plates. I want to try it out for my different type of plates in the kitchen. And this is the candle. This is the organizer to keep my headphones near the office table, and this can be used as a phone holder. So I want to try this one. I always like these Ikea gloves, and it is only $1.5 and they are very good quality. I like this deep size of bowl and it is very thick. I want to use this one in my kitchen for the leftovers in the fridge. And this is another bowl. I want to try it out. This is the first time I'm seeing it here, and I tried the lid and it is easy to close and it is also stackable. So let me open it. This is the another type of bowl. See, you can stack 2 or 3. And this is the shaker cup, and we have a lot of measurements, so it is clearly visible, so I purchased this one. And these are the kitchen towels. Ikea kitchen towels are very good, and this is the different color, so I purchased this one. And these are some kind of perfume. We can hang them over in the closet. It can remove the bad odor, so I want to try this one, and first time I purchased this one. This is the liner. We can keep them in any cupboards, but I want to try this one in the fridge, so it is clear and we can use it in the fridge, so I purchased this one from Ikea. This time we found an induction stove in Ikea, so we purchased it. We have to use it and see how it is working. It has a little bit of a hanger, so we can hang it to the wall. This is the 2-tier organizer. I have seen this in so many times, but I did not purchase it, but I want to place on something. But it has lot of space and we can keep so many items on the counter, so we can reduce the clutter on the counter. Even I was placing so many items beneath it. These are the everyday usage items, so I kept all of my items here. There is a ghee place, and there is a 2 types of salt, turmeric and onion box, and butter cup, and also small mortar and pestle. So many items I was able to organize in this small divider organizer. I was using these type of kitchen mats or bathroom mats from Ikea, and they are of good quality, so I purchased this one. This is the comforter cover I purchased from Ikea, and this is on sale for $29. This is of queen size. I just want to try my old comforters with a new cover. This is another sheet set. It comes with a sheet and 2 pillow covers. I want to try for my Ikea bed. I like the Ikea bed. I want to try with the Ikea bed sheets. So first time I purchased these Ikea bed sheets. This is the coat hanger. I found it in as is section of Ikea. I got it only for the half of the price, and it is so sturdy, and we can keep lot of items here like coat hanger. We can keep the handbags. So this is so much useful in winter, and I got it very less price, left $32. Thank you for watching. If you like any of the items, please comment in the comment section down below. Bye.